Hey, do you plan to collect some type of information from your ideal client when they land on your Ontraport page? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to show you how. Hey, Happy's. If we have not been formally introduced, let me do that now. This is Akilah Pitts, your friendly neighborhood Ontraport certified consultant, system strategist, and all-around helpful homegirl over at AkilahPitts.com. I help visionary entrepreneurs be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Ontraport. So if that is you, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of this automation awesomeness. Now, is it an opt-in page, a sales page, a contact me page, a what did you eat for dinner page? It really doesn't matter if you're creating an Ontraport page where it is your desire to collect information from your ideal client or anybody else who lands on that page. You have to have the ability to collect that information. And with Ontraport pages, you're going to be using elements known as form fields, and those form fields can take on the shape of name and email and billing address, shipping address, payment information, things of that nature, all to be able to provide them with the next level of service and enhance their experience with you. So let's go ahead and head on over to Ontraport right now so that I can show you how to go about adding form fields to your Ontraport page. Let's go. Okay, depending upon what type of Ontraport page you are building, chances are there's going to be some type of form that needs to be added to your page. So let's talk about adding form fields to your Ontraport page. Again, we're going to go ahead and add a block. Now, as you saw in previous videos when we scroll through these templates, there are also templates that contain forms, and you could possibly use that as an option when it comes to adding it to your Ontraport page, like this one. If I hit select, there you have an order form right there that you can customize to your heart's content and use that as your form for people to submit orders of whatever your product or service may be. However, let's say you want to go ahead and create a form from scratch, and it's just like a simple opt-in form or something like that. Well, you can go ahead and come over here on your elements under form and sales, and this is where you can customize exactly what you want to add to your specific form. So if you use the form field option, basically it's going to ask you what form do you want to add, and it defaults at first name, but of course you can use anything based upon the fields that are in your accounts, and you have that there. And pretty much any other elements or any other fields that you want to add to this form are going to take on the same customization and design as this original form field element. So just keep that in mind. And then you can add like first name and last name, especially if it's an opt-in form. However, if you want to design your own order form from scratch, then of course you have those things that you can add on here by dragging and dropping, like your billing address and things of that nature, so that those elements are added to the form. And as you can see, you have several different options here, from not just the billing but the credit card information. If you want to do any order bumps or upsells or anything like that, you can add that to the page as well. Once again, possibilities are endless in terms of how you want to design your Ontraport page and how you want the form fields to be on those pages, whether somebody is opting in or actually purchasing your product or service. And now we're back, and you just learned how to add form fields to your new Ontraport page. So now I want to hear from you. Does the page that you're creating right now Does it require a form field of any kind? If so, let me know in the comments below simply by telling me. It's an opt-in page, it's a sales page, it's a contact me page, it's a what you having for dinner page, it's a where you going for the weekend page. It doesn't really matter. Let me know in the comments below what type of page you're creating and why that requires form field information. So, did you find this video helpful? If so, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also, of course, don't forget to subscribe. So, until I see you in the next video, peeps, take care. Bye.